What's the meaning of arithmetic series? Arithmetic series. Arithmetic series.
Arithmetic series. Arithmetic series. An arithmetic series is a sequence of numbers in which each term is the sum of the previous term and a constant value called the common difference. The common difference determines the pattern of the series and remains the same throughout. The sum of n terms in an arithmetic series can be determined by using the formula n/2, 2a plus, n, 1, d, where a is the first term, d is the common difference, and n is the number of terms. Arithmetic series are commonly used in finance and economics to calculate the present value of future cash flow streams.